Hi, Miss Lauren. Good day.
Hi ma'am, good day.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Lauren Jean Vicente, 36 years old, married, and I have 2 kids, 1 boy and 1 girl.
Okay, so where do you live?
I live in Tacolong City, Sultan Kudarat.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 brother and I am the eldest of the family.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
I graduated Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Management of Financial Institution.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a honest person, trustworthy, obedient, and God-fearing people.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to spend it to my family and for the future of my 2 kids for their education.
Who will take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I have worked here in the Philippines with a married couple with 2 kids, and I do household chores like cooking, marketing, laundry, ironing, and cleaning the house. And also, I tutor them for their homeroom assignments.
Okay, so from what year?
From 2021 up to 2025.
Okay, did you finish all your contract?
Yes, I finished my contract.
Okay. Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby will cry?
I will check the diaper of the baby, and I will feed him if he or she is hungry, and I will check the temperature of the baby, and if the baby is sick, I will inform for my employer.
Okay, so what if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them for playing or sing nursery rhyme.
Okay, so what if they feel homesick?
I will do my household chores, and I will take care of my employer.
Do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will send the financial support to them.
Are you willing to share room with the children, elderly or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during rest day, play as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use the cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please sing a nursery song.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Okay, so do you know how to swim?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have surgical operation or story sickness before?
Yes, ma'am. I am a cesarean when my eldest during my I am a cesarean section during my giving birth to my eldest daughter. That was 4 years ago.
Okay, so are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I will finish my contract.
Okay, so please give a short message for your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, please choose me to be one of your housemates. I promise to finish my contract, and I will do my best to all my job, and I will promise to be one of your own family.
Okay.
And I hope to see you in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.